Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to remove Snapchat media upload problem. Facing some problems uploading the media files on Snapchat. Snapchat is a social media platform with the main focus on the images shared by the users. So if the users can't upload their image from their Snapchat account, what is even the purpose of using Snapchat? This video help you solve this media upload issue on your Snapchat app on the iPhone. But first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video. So the first step is clear the Snapchat cache. Deleting the cache from your Snapchat account can fix this issue on your iPhone. For this, open the Snapchat on your iPhone. Next, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Next, just tap the small settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Next, scroll down and go to privacy controls and choose clear data. Next, tap on clear cache and then tap on clear again to confirm. Once you have cleared the Snapchat cache, you can retry uploading the media files from the app and you are done. And the next step is check your internet connection. The internet connection is the most vital point in the media upload process. You can just run a simple speed test from our browser page. And the next step is director mode. You can bypass the media upload feature by using the director mode. For this, open the Snapchat app and then tap on the drop down menu. Next, choose director mode and then tap on the second last option, an image with a plus icon, and you can choose your images from your camera roll. Just tap on any image and then tap on the tick option. Next, tap on preview. Next, you can send to anyone you want and you are done. And the next step is update the Snapchat app. For this, go to App Store. Next, tap on the search icon and search for Snapchat. Here you will see the option of update. Tap on update and update the latest version of Snapchat and you are done. And the next step is uninstall Snapchat and reinstall it. Uninstall Snapchat from your iPhone and reinstall it on your iPhone. For this, find the Snapchat app and once you have found it, press and hold the Snapchat app. Next, tap on remove app and then tap on delete app again to confirm. Then you can reinstall Snapchat directly from the App Store and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix Snapchat media upload problem, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.